What's going on, MetaMatt? What's going on, Phat Pandaz Universe? What's going on, Titan Trading Universe? It is MetaMatt here, and today we're going to be doing our live Phat Pandaz Royal Rumble giveaway. So we are giving away 5 3-month memberships to Titan Trading, as well as our premium membership to Pennyboy Stock Alerts. And you can find it right here. It's at the Discord for Phat Pandaz Discord. That is actually going to be a link in the description. It's the second link down. The first one, of course, is to our PS5 giveaway. We are giving away a PS5 for those of you who could not get one on Christmas. And of course, we're giving away some NFTs, one of which is a legendary 1 out of 1 NFT. So it looks like we have some people from Titan Trading. There is T Frost. We got Mr. Big Quench himself. And we have some people from the Panda fam as well, from the Phat Pandas. And I am super excited to get this Royal Rumble going. This should start around 6:30 p.m. Eastern. We got 2 more minutes left. And the way to get in is to enter the Phat Pandaz Discord. Once you enter, you have to verify. And then once you're done with that, you just go to the giveaway section right here. Scroll up, and all you got to do is just click this emoji. I'm not going to do it because I don't want to enter, because this is for you guys. But you just click this entry right here. There's a little emoji. We have 408 participants. And as you can see right here, it is for a Titan Trading and PB Stocks Alert sponsored giveaway. For those of you who don't know, Titan Trading is a NFT and OTC trading Discord. It is all free. NFT and OTC. We also have premium area as well for crypto education and crypto alerts. And then PB Stock Alerts is a crypto and stock education, as well as options trading. And there are also alerts there as well. It's a huge community, great community. And we have a lot of fun there, just like y'all do here in the Phat Pandaverse. For those of you who don't know what Phat Pandaz is, first of all, they have these really fun Royal Rumbles and just other activities like that in the Discord, a humongous community, as you can see. All the pandas. Let's get some pandas going on in the chat. Whole bunch of pandas, a whole bunch of Phat Pandaz supporters, whole bunch of Phat Pandaz potential minters or future minters. I know they haven't done their mint yet, but we have some people who've minted some gas passes. And we are actually giving away a gas pass. We're giving away 4 of them, but we're doing 2 on Twitter. It's going to be at MetaMatt _NFT is where you go to on Twitter. We're giving away 2 gas passes for that right now. All you got to do is like and retweet and follow. But I don't want to miss this giveaway. Make sure that, yep, he hasn't started yet. For those who don't know, these giveaways are super fun. So the way they work is you just click the emoji, you enter the giveaway or the Royal Rumble, and it's like think of Hunger Games kind of, but obviously in virtual form. It looks like he's typing. I just want to scroll down, make sure he didn't start it. All right, there we go. And it looks like it started. So basically think Hunger Games, virtual style. It's all just, everyone enters. There's 410 participants right now. And we're going to see who gets the most kills and who survives the longest. And the people who survive the longest are the ones who win. Our grand prize, once again, it's 5 3-month premium memberships to Titan Trading and PB Stock Alerts. That's a $275 value for our memberships right there each. And they can be you win this Rumble. Of course, you just go to Phat Pandaz Discord, and you have to make sure you click that emoji. And it looks like we have 410 people in, so congratulations to those who made it. And once again, if you didn't win this or you didn't make it into this, we do have a lot of giveaways on Titan Trading. There's a whole bunch of giveaways in the Phat Pandaz universe as well. And right, like I said, we are actually giving away 4 gas passes and a Phat Pandaz NFT over on Titan Trading. And the link to that is in the description of this video, as well as a PS5. Look at all those pandas. In the chat, there's a panda with also the Royal Rumble avatar there. They all know what it's all about. Appreciate you, J Long. You actually, that avatar is the one that I always keep rocking on my pictures that I do, for thumbnails and stuff. Because I personally think that's one of the coolest Phat Pandaz art that they have going on right now. I'm really looking forward to seeing everyone's Phat Pandaz, NFT once we start minting. There's some more pandas going on there in the chats. Looks like we got some people going on in there as well. Just checking the general chat, make sure we're not missing anybody out. And yeah, if y'all from Titan Trading or from PB Alerts, or, if you're not from Phat Pandaz, even if you are, you're brand new, if you have any questions, I can do my best to answer them. And there probably are some people in the chats as well who, know a little more than I do. Of course, I'm just, I just did my own due diligence. I know as much as y'all do, as far as those who've been here for a while. But always happy to help out those who have questions about NFTs in general. The gas pass I'm talking about, we are giving away 4 of them. They cost 0.05 Ethereum. They're currently sold out. But what you can do with this gas pass is you can mint a Phat Panda at 0.1 Ethereum. The public price is 0.3 Ethereum. So that's a 66% discount. Oh, looks like we are at 78%. Almost there. And is it just random, the battle? Yeah, it's super random. It's literally just, Hunger Games, but, random. Like, obviously, there's, if you have if you're Katniss Everdeen or whatever whatever her name was, you're not going to win. But, it's completely random, no skill involved, no main characters. It's just, what you get is what you get. These are really, really, really cool. The invite is in the description of this video to Phat Panda's Discord. And as you can see, this community is super, super active, super, super amazing. I love these guys. They're always in the chats, always lighting up the chats in both YouTube and Twitter. There is Tagman, of course, from our Penny Boys stock alerts. He always helps out with our new traders. Make sure that we can see everything. There we go. So round 1 started. Players left at a 410. We have 402. Looks like Tammy's neck got broken while they were sleeping. Looks like Lupita is from our Discord. They just got killed with a stick. I'm sorry, Lupita. I know you just started an NFT project. That was a really cool one. Round 2. Let me see as anybody, or if you're in the chat, say what happened to you, and I will put your on the screen as well. And the Royals, this one is actually currently going, but you can get in the future ones. The Discord link is in the description. It looks like they did announce that they lowered the pricing to Phat Panda's NFTs. That's definitely something worth looking into. Probably because of the gas fees, which means that they definitely do care about the community. Looks like Birth just stabbed Vinny with a cucumber. We are down to 385 people surviving. Remember, you can get revived. So, if you do die, that's okay. Sanchito just killed Zim Ninja. So they said, I came, I saw, you died. And Lucid just got bludgeoned to death using someone else's severed leg. So that's pretty gruesome. This is like the Hunger Games meets like Game of Thrones meets I don't know, y'all can type the most gruesome TV show y'all know out there. Put that in the comments section. That's what this is. Found a dagger stuck in an animal. So N2999. You have a dagger. That's looking pretty good for you. You just got eaten. Someone just got eaten there. Javier Andre got eaten. Look at all those pandas in the chats. And for those of you who don't know, Phat Pandas is a cannabis-based NFT. So everyone's always asking, oh, like, what are these NFTs? Why am I buying a piece of picture? Why am I buying a picture on a computer, a JPEG? Well, with Phat Pandas, it's obviously not just the art. It is, like, me personally, I've seen actually better art projects. But quite frankly, I don't really care about the art. Like, some people, but I really care about the utility. I care about the community. These guys have it, and the fact that they, the art isn't like the big factor. It means that the factor is the utility, is the community, and that's really what does make the money. I think with these NFT projects, it looks like someone from the Hate Beast community there just had a calm day wandering through the forest, unaware they were being followed, and Worm just stopped to smell the flowers. Round 9, we have 347 surviving so far. That is pretty cool. What's going on, Benjamin? We got Burger King. Amber, how we doing? You're in the PB Discord. There's a section on this with more info. Titan Trading is free NFT section. We are, if you know me from Penny Boys, you know that I'm What the Duck over in Penny Boys. I do the stock trading education over in PB Alerts. Well, I also do the NFT education over in Titan Trading, and Titan Trading is completely free. We're on round 10, 340 people left. Titan Trading is completely free. The NFT section is free. Our giveaways, we have some premium giveaways, which you can just get that role, kind of like NFT projects with invites and getting your messages and your rank up. You can get a premium premium giveaway role, which gets you access to the premium giveaways. We're at 334 people left, round 11. Super Pandas it looks like Super Pandas has killed somebody with a slow acting poison. Coffee Cup from our Discord. I love Coffee Cup. We always see him around. Just slipped a python in an airdrop sleeping bag. And in the morning, they pretend to be surprised as they were found half consumed. Well, Coffee Cup, I'm not going to be sleeping near you in a camping trip anytime soon, even though you are a good guy. That guy stopped to smell the flowers. We're down to 318 left. But yeah, definitely, if for Amber, if you want to learn more about NFTs, there is an NFT learning channel, but Titan Trading is the place to be for that. We have NFT education, chats. We are not an NFT. So, we're not trying to push, push out other, competitors, because, we don't have competitors as far as projects go. We know Fat Pandas is a partner with us, not a partner, but we're collabing with them because, we are, we're an NFT community, they're an NFT project. Our goal is to get good NFT projects into our community's hands, into our community's eyes, and in their ears. And, we want people to know about these communities like Fat Panda. Look how cool this is. Like, this is, you don't get this everywhere. Like, this is awesome. These 300 people still participating. We're around 15. Everyone's in the chat. Look at that. Going up those pandas, whole lot of pandas. Like, you don't get this in every community. Trust me, I know. With Titan Trading, we have Fat Pandas, Disco Dogs, Mindblown NFT, Arctic Bears, and all these other NFTs that we do these collab deals with when it comes to these giveaways. But I personally wouldn't do these with any projects. I wouldn't these projects in our community members' hands if I didn't like them personally. I do. I like Fat Pandas. I am minting a Fat Pandas NFT regardless of, gas pass, no gas pass, whitelist. I'm minting one regardless. I think this is going to be a huge project. Like I said, a $500 million recreational cannabis company turn NFT. I mean, you can't go wrong with that. Everyone's always telling you, invest in Tilray, invest in, cannabis stocks. Well, you can invest in a cannabis NFT. Cannabis A is on the uprise, and NFTs are as well. So it's like a win-win right there. But and as you can see, like I said before, is there, the community is, see all those pandas. We're on round 18. 287 people are still left. That is crazy. Looks like Zeitgeist just went fishing for food. But yeah, I'm really looking forward to Fat Pandas. They have their seeds, or their cocoa cubes. If you kill all, you can actually combine them and create a plant, and then you can burn. I believe you burn them, create a plant, and then you turn that plant into either a red panda or a trash panda. The red pandas are rare. The trash pandas are super rare. So that is a really, really cool feature. You can trade. Let's just say I have all the fertilizer, you have all the seeds. Well, I can now trade with you. It kind of turns it into like a whole barter system, trying to get that trash panda or that red panda. What's going on? Just turn it is MetaMatt. I am the MetaMatt. Yeah, from or what the duck for you who are tuning in from PB Stock Alerts. It's really up to you. As you can see, I'm still rocking that Penny Boys. Just because I had the blue screen, the MetaMatt, and all that. Don't worry. We're still PB Alerts is where it all started. And then we're still in PB Alerts through and through. We got some new stuff coming actually for you PBU members. We just did a revamp, but we have another one already in the works. So PBU, of course, is University, which is our stock trading university. We're around 23, 250 left out of around 400, almost at that halfway point. But PBU is Penny Boys University, which is our stock trading program. It is geared towards new stock traders. So same deal with NFTs. A lot of people are just getting into NFTs. We saw that and we decided, we want to help y'all just like we did with stocks. PBU, we started off, way back when, COVID was a big thing. And, we saw a bunch of people who didn't know what they're doing with stocks. And we didn't want y'all to become part of the 89% of stock traders who end up quitting. So we wanted to put a dent in that number and, kind of put a dent in the numbers of the people who get scammed by pump and dumps or just scammed by people who, want to sell you false signals that you can buy or this or that, or, whatever it may be. All these people like to tell you how to get rich quick. We're not about that. We're trying to, stop that and trying to, help you all not get rich, but try to just make some compounding gains, make some money, and just be successful. And we're not trying to make y'all $1,000 overnight. We're trying to make y'all confident in yourselves as traders. And the same deal goes with MetaMatt and with the NFTs in Titan Trading. We want to do the same thing. We don't want to, hey, buy this NFT, you're going to make 2000x and you're going to retire tomorrow. No, we're not trying to do that. Like, that'd be great. And if you do, we have members who bought cars and bought houses and stuff like that, based off of our alerts were, like Austin, like Mr. Big Quench, who was asking, should we PB Alerts / Titan Trading, should we have an NFT? I mean, how cool would that be? I mean, imagine not just PB Alerts, not just Titan Trading, but now you merge that together with all these other, opportunities out there. And there you go. You got an NFT right there. What do you think? Looks like Nikki says we should. Justin's saying go Penny Boy. That's a great question right there. Let's leave that up there for a little bit. See what people think. I know we already have a lot of people in Penny Boys University or who've been in Penny Boys who currently are in NFTs. I know that Lopeta is one owner of a NFT. We actually did some whitelist giveaways with NFT mint, the Flying Funks, and all you gotta do is pay gas. This is pretty cool. It's like an investment in the future. As far as they're concerned, of course, we have Mindblown NFT. He was also one of the owners, was also a long-time member of Penny Boys, and Mindblown is one of, I think Phat Pandaz and Mindblown are almost tied when it comes to who's the more active and more lit community as far as I'm concerned. I mean, we did a AMA, or like a sit down interview with one of the owners from from Mindblown, and the owner from and founder from Phat Pandaz, speaking of which, they are currently on round 33 of their Rumble. Remember, you can be revived. Onyx just received food and water from an unknown sponsor. Maybe get someone to try that for you. Just saying. We're at 191 people left. And Leo Z-Baller just got sneaked up on by AJ Karu with a dagger. That is not cool. Sorry about that, General Holdier. Anyway, yeah, there we go. We got some Mindblown people in here still. But yeah, Mindblown is also another project that one of the owners actually, was a longtime member of Penny Boys University as well. We actually didn't know that until after we partnered them, which is pretty cool. But I saw their project and liked their project, and just like Phat Pandaz, I personally saw, I do due diligence on hundreds of projects. I mean, you can look at there's just all these different projects I'm currently on the works for me to look at, or ones I've already looked at, ones I reached out to, and quite frankly, Phat Pandaz is one of the top ones that I personally am excited about, and I personally wanted to. Like when they reached back and was like, yeah, we can do this, I was super pumped, more so than probably any projects, just because. I mean, it's a $500 million cannabis company. That's everyone's asking about utility. Oh, in the future, you're going to create a metaverse. You're going to go in the metaverse, or in the future, we'll turn our NFTs into 3D this. In the future, we're going to do that. These guys are currently a successful cannabis company, which is already an up and coming company or up and coming business or industry as it is. Now they're in the NFT space. Come on, it's a no brainer at that point. Just like getting into, if you are a stock trader or crypto trader, just like getting into PB alerts and Titan trading, I think personally is a no-brainer, because we do have the free areas and free education as well as the paid premium areas. And I personally think that if you look at it, if you go to school, you pay money to go to school, you pay money to educate yourself before you get your job. With stock trading, with crypto trading especially, there are risks, and it's good to have education and know what you're doing before getting into it. Not everyone, if everyone could do, I'm gonna start stock trading tomorrow and I'm gonna make $1 million, and nobody would be working. We'd all just be doing that, but it's not that easy. And that's why we teach, how to get out of that mentality, because that's the mentality where you put, a whole bunch of money you can't afford to lose and end up losing it, thinking that you're going to end up tripling it or doubling it or whatever it may be. We're at 110 people left, by the way. Sophia just got into a knife fight with baby Babaya Ingo and killed them. Sophia, good for you, I guess. Around 47, 103 people left. And the pandas are still flowing in the chats. And that's what I'm talking about. It's all about community. When I look at these projects personally, I go in the general chat. I just give them a little, hey, what's up? Hey, who's excited about this project? 2 minutes go by, I don't get anything. I'm on to the next one. I don't want to put y'all in a position where you're getting into projects that might not sell out, or that have 80,000, Discord members, and 50 of them are actually active, and 100 of them are bots that are active. I want to make sure that we're getting y'all into legitimate projects that I personally am also getting into. If look, here's the deal: if y'all are losing money in the projects that we're getting in, if you're losing money on the projects that we're doing these partnerships with, and that we're or collabs with, and that we're I'm talking about personally on YouTube. I know I'm not going to speak for anybody else, but if I'm talking about them on YouTube and you're going to lose money on them, that means I'm also losing money on them, unless you lost money on gas or whatever it may be. Obviously, there are variables. But I'm if it's a project that busts, I also lost money on it too. Looks like 80 just got skinned alive. Hopefully you can get revived. That is also a donut shop. And also, by the way, Tim is asking about other NFT projects. We do. There's Mindblown NFT. Awesome. By the way, Mindblown, really quickly before I go to Tim, Mindblown NFT, we are doing a AMA on this YouTube channel with Mindblown NFT, a super exciting project. That's going to be Thursday, 2 p.m. Eastern on MetaMatt YouTube channel. I'm super excited. We're going to be talking about not just the NFT space in general, but their project in particular, and what their experiences in the NFT universe. I know they create a humongous community, and just kind of seeing what they plan on doing with said community, and how to make that community, as we always say, make some bread. So I'm really looking forward to that Mind Blown NFT AMA Thursday, 2 p.m. Eastern. We're on round 58. Players left 37, guys. We're getting close. I think so. I said what, 5? So we have 10 winners total. So we're down to 30. So if you're still up there, or you've just been hanging low and you haven't died yet, you're looking good. I don't see any familiar Titan trading names, but if your name's up there, shout yourself out in the comments section. I'll throw you up on the screen. Kev Rabbit just snapped Luis Pez's neck while they're sleeping. Good night. Wow. This is around 61, 20 people left. We are, half the people here are going to die and half are going to be winners. And Level Up Lambo's asking, bring me back. You can get revived. So yeah, as far as all these other projects go, what I'm going to be doing on Titan Trading is we're going to be doing live NFT due diligence together. It's not just me, blah, 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 blah. No, we're all going to be in there together chatting, voice chatting, or if you don't want to voice chat, you're at work, you can voice chat, or what you're driving, whatever it may be, you're on the bus, it doesn't, we're at 8 players left. Whatever it may be. So you can just join us in the voice chat. You can also type in we're gonna have like a little typing chat as well. We'll just be going over, I'll just be sharing my screen, putting other people's screens on as well. If they want to share theirs. We'll just be going over some projects. Just, hey, shout out a project. Hell, let's talk about XYZ project. And we'll go over it, look at the Discord, see if it's active. We'll go on the website, see if it looks legit. Maybe see how the founders look. See what we see. Oh my gosh, we're around 65, 4 players left. PNW Zach just received water supply. PNW Zach is a Penny Boys University member right there. Believe they're PBU alumni actually from the September classes. We do have PBU classes going on every month so that people don't get left out. And we have 2 players left. PNW Zach from Titan. There you go. Oh, so 2 left. PNW just sneaked up on 7 Leaf Farm. All right, all of us Titan traders are rooting for PNW Zach. That is awesome. And he didn't even kill anyone in the end. He just watched somebody trip and crack his skull in a brick. So you know what? Sometimes the best offense is just sitting back and letting someone trip and fall in a brick. PNW Zach, congratulations. So I believe I know, I don't know exactly how they're doing it, but I know we have some other giveaways we're doing as well. Probably either through this or maybe like the top 10 runner or 9 other runner ups will win it. I'm not exactly sure how they're doing, but we are giving away 10 memberships. So this might not be it. So we'll see how that goes. Finalizing the data. Congratulations, PNW Zach. Let's see who killed who got the most kills. And that is awesome. That is so cool that a Titan Trading member won. And while that finalizes, like I was saying before, on Twitter, MetaMatt _NFT, you can find our Phat Pandaz gas pass giveaway. It will let you mint for a 66% discount for a project that I think is going to be Xing 66 times and then some. So this is a huge discount on what's going to be a huge project. And I'm like I said, I'm personally getting into it. No one's paying us to do this or whatever. This is just, like with stocks, no one's paying us to to do these stock alerts. We're just trying to make money, and we want y'all to make money too. And we're on 34%. All right, so there we go. Phat Pandaz Tom. So there you go. Winners will be the last 10 that survived. So last 10 that survived are the winners. So PNW Zach, I believe that Geo Jad, even though you cracked your skull in a brick, you still get that prize. 7 Leaf Farm, you got stabbed by a dagger by our own PNW Zach. You also get the prize. That's 3 people. There's Joe again. 7 Leaf Farm and NFT Blood, even though y'all got killed by 7 Leaf Farm, you're both also winners. Looks like we have Kev Rabbit, Pacino, and I bet you Phat Pandaz Toms will be telling us who those are. But congratulations to all of our winners. So once again, we do have that Phat Pandaz gas pass giveaway on Twitter, and I'm just super excited personally about this project. Whoever does get these gas passes, here's the deal. Look, you might be thinking, I don't have any Ethereum or this or that. I don't want to get into NFTs. And here's the deal: don't get into anything you don't know enough about or are incompetent enough about. Our goal is to get you there. Just like we say in Penny Boys University, start off paper trading with stock trading. We always recommend starting off smaller, starting off paper trading, because it's a lot easier to get yourself out of a $10 or $100 hole than it is to get yourself out of a $1,000 or a $10,000 hole if you go all in, right to start. Same deal with NFTs, and so with these projects, obviously we're not telling you throw your money in, we want you to feel confident, about what you're doing. So do your own due diligence, of course, just like with stock trading. But I personally am 1,000% getting into this. I'm going to be getting as much as possible as far as the minting process goes, as much as gas allows me with those gas fees. And if you want to learn more about how gas fees work and all, just crypto in general, because like not only do we have our free NFT education area, we do crypto education as well. So we're talking about not only how gas works and how Ethereum and Solana works, but also how to mine your own your Ether, your own Bitcoin, your own cryptocurrency, so that you can not only figure out how it works from that perspective, but also from the mining perspective as well, because it is good just to know everything involved. Oh my god, and the pandas are still going hard in the chats. That is awesome. Do you like milk? Well, as T Frost knows, we're all about making that bread here at PB Stock Alerts and at Titan Trading, and obviously here with Phat Pandas. I believe we're going to make some bread together. For those who do become part of this community. I'm already in there. I'm looking forward to getting in on that whitelist mint. I mean, this you can't really say much more than the fact that they're a $500 million cannabis company. Like that should be enough right there. And these guys clearly know what they're doing. It's a 40,000 person Discord, and they're active. It's not. I've seen 20,000 people Discords. I'm sorry. I've seen like 100,000 people Discords. Way less active than this one is. So, and they've been growing. There were 20,000 when I made my first video about these guys, I believe, and that was like 3 weeks ago. So like that definitely says something. The website's pretty legit. They know what they're doing as far as like a business perspective goes. When it comes to just in general, we're at 97% as far as the results go. I do want to talk about our Mind Blown NFT live Q&A. It's also a AMA, whatever you want to call it, a whole bunch of letters. It doesn't really matter what we call it. The fact of the matter is it will be a sit down. We'll be hopefully on both of us on video. I believe he said he will be on video this time. So you'll be able to see what our Mind Blown founder looks like, and we'll be talking about their project. But not only that, we talk about rug pulls. And if you ever experienced a rug pull or been burned by a rug pull, tune into the stream Thursday, 2 p.m. Eastern on this channel. Get some proof, and you can get percent off the mint price of a Mind Blown NFT. These guys are all about giving back, not just to their community, but just in general to the NFT space. And there's been so many rug pulls and scams and just all these just terrible things have been happening to people. I personally, on MetaMatt YouTube, you can search that. There's a how to avoid scams video, as well as on Titan Trading for free. In our education section, there are those NFT 101 classes. Hope those will help you avoid these scams and rug pulls. Or, you can just do your due diligence with us live, and we can all hopefully avoid these together and, do that all together on Titan Trading. We are also giving away an Egg Tomaton NFT. So if you also want to learn about NFTs, these guys have an Egg Tomaton. It's called a Egg Academy, actually, and it's really cool. It's a NFT learning platform, and they have a 1 Ethereum challenge. I think it's up like 3 or 4 Ethereum, where they're just flipping NFTs and showing all the process. It's kind of like what we're doing. We're looking to do some cool stuff with them as well, but we're giving away one of their NFTs so you can get in on that community and in on that fun learning process. They also have Jamie Hawk. I don't know if y'all know who she is, but she wrote for Marvel. She's a comic writer. She also does graphic novels for sci-fi, as well as just as comics, like superhero comics, and she's pretty cool. She does like really like cool sci-fi, like gritty, like sexy type of like novels, and she's now doing some stuff for the Egg Tomatoes, as my autocorrect loves to call them. So Egg Tomatons. we're giving away one of these Egg Tomatons on the Titan Trading Discord. So you have to go to the Titan Trading Discord. Link is in the description of this video, and it's free to enter. It's pretty easy to enter. You just click an emoji, and I'd love to see some Phat Pandas in the giveaway, so we can see y'all not only in the Phat Pandas universe, but also in the Egg Tomatons Discord universe, because it's a free NFT. You can't get better than that. We love those Egg Tomatoes, and they have a cool play to earn game coming. Like I said, they have those comics from a Marvel writer. They have their first one coming out with Egg Tomaton covered art. It's called Greed, which is one of their legendary NFTs. So I'm really looking forward to that. That is on the Titan Trading Discord. We're doing that giveaway. And I just purchased my first Rough Life NFT. This is from Solana. And I love this one. It has the blue drool, which I think is one of the more rare attributes. And if you don't know what that means when it comes to attributes, you're like, what do you mean like rare? Like, how does that work? Like, people like, what, you don't have that on other NFTs, or how does that work? Well, we do have classes on that. But basically, with I'm just a quick version with these NFT projects, you get kind of like a base picture. So it's this dog, and you'll get different colors, different backgrounds, different attributes, kind of like a video game, like when you're dressing your EA Sports character. Everyone looks different, but they have the same, base. But like maybe you have a different skin color, or different, different jersey on, or different jewelry. The same deal goes with these NFT projects, and think of it like there's only let's like with this chain. Let's just say there's only 3 of them. Like, there's only 3 of these dogs have that chain. That chain is going to be really rare. Whereas this jersey, let's say 1,000 or 10,000 of them have that jersey, is less rare. So when everyone talks about rarity and attributes, that's kind of what they're talking about. These guys already did mint the Rough Life NFT. They're doing the second stage of mint soon, actually, stage 2. And I believe that the Eggtomatons are also in their stage 2 of minting. I believe there's only actually 20 left of the Eggtomatons. These guys have a big push coming up soon, so these guys might be running out soon. The nice thing about them are the Solana. It's on the Sol. It's on the Sol chain. So the whole difference between Sol and Ethereum is Ethereum. It's some gas fees. Like right now, I was trying to mint a free NFT, and it was looking like $500 just to mint it. And like that's ridiculous. Like $500 just to mint something. Like that's a transaction fee of $500. No, thank you. Solana. I just got these guys from Solana. I just bought one of these, and the transaction fee was maybe like around a dollar. I think maybe 75 cents. I think I waited a little bit too long, and it went up a little bit too much, and I think I missed that 75 cents. I got maybe for like $1.20. Oh no. Solana is great when it comes to that. Obviously, Ethereum is like the king, but Ethereum does have the Ethereum 2.0 coming out. But right now, if you're looking to flip projects, Solana is the way to go. And we're going to be doing a lot of Solana NFT flipping live on Titan Trading and on MetaMatt YouTube, because you don't have to worry about gas fees. Like, what's the point of flipping an NFT for $500 if you had to pay $500 just to mint it? So with Solana, you don't have to worry about that. It's really, really awesome. And yes, I'm really excited about all this. Let's see what's going on in the Phat Pandaz Discord. So winner, PNW Zach. That's awesome. He also got 50,000 coins. And the winners are the last thing to survive. So 5 3-month premium memberships to Titan Trading Crypto Alerts. That's a $275 value. And congratulations to Crypto Kenny. I'm going to zoom in so everyone can see those names of the winners right there. So Crypto Kenny, we got Pandas, Geo, we have Super Pandas, Leaf Farm, NFT Blood, Kev Rabbit, and then we have our 3-month premium memberships to PB Stock Alerts, and we have Pisano, we have Pickle Rick, ETH, that's awesome. We have Zeus and Meowgox Pandas. Well, I haven't had to. It's been a while since I had to do like names like this. We have our Penny Boys University live streams, and we go over everyone's homework for their trading homework, and it's always fun trying to pronounce some names. So this kind of brings me back to that. So congratulations to everybody who won. If you didn't win, that's okay. We are still giving away gas passes for Phat Pandaz and free NFTs on Titan Trading, so you can still win some fun stuff. These guys, Phat Pandaz, have some amazing collab giveaways, and just their own giveaways. It's definitely worth getting into. It's going to their Discord description of this video. Link to our PS5 and legendary 1 out of 1 Arctic Bears NFT, as well as a whole bunch of other great NFTs, is also in the description of this video. So be sure to check that out. Be sure to subscribe to MetaMatt on YouTube for more NFT content. And I'll be doing a whole bunch of these types of news with and the other day with different project owners. I have Mind Blown coming on Thursday. On Friday, I have 3 different project owners from projects that are kind of focused around charities. One is actually Rough Life NFT. They're focused around trying to get homes for dogs who need them. We're also going to be bringing on Arctic Bears. Their whole goal is to bring awareness to global warming and also help the polar bears by donating money to helping save the polar bears. And we're looking to get one other project. We have 2 that we're talking to. One is trying to save the pandas, actually, Bamboo Club. We're seeing if their time zones work out. As far as the stream goes, that's going to be on Friday, 4 p.m. Eastern. More details on that to come. But yeah, definitely be sure to join Phat Pandaz NFT. If you're looking to just get into NFTs, be sure to join Titan Trading. And if you want to just get into Phat Pandaz NFT, the best way to do it is on a discount. And we are giving away a gas pass, which is a 66% discount on a Phat Pandas NFT. And, well, free is 100% discount. We are giving away a free Phat Pandas NFT as well on Titan Trading. That's the best way to get in on this project, is to not even have to pay for it. So, success, not true. Well, I'm also whitelisted. I'm super excited to mint with y'all. If I can, my goal is to mint live. Obviously I'm not, or maybe not live. Maybe I'll just do a quick how-to video. I did that for Disco Dogs during their mint, and some people said it was pretty helpful because we have a lot. Oh, okay. So Success is asking, they're saying I am whitelisted, but I don't know what that is. And if you guys want, we can just do a quick Q&A if you have any Titan Trading members, or even Phat Pandas, or just anyone is in here who doesn't really know much about NFTs, or hasn't got into it. Any questions, I would love to be able to answer those for you, or get them to the right ears and the right people who can get those answers for you, because our goal here is obviously and always education. Oh wow, the gas pass pre-sale is now 0.04 Ethereum to mint. Awesome. So instead of 0.05 is now 0.04. I love projects who do that. They see that the gas is high, so they're going to give us a little bit of a break. I mean, it means they're not money hungry. It means that they really do want to make a community, make a project based off of the community, which is really good. So we have the gas pass presale 0.04 Ethereum. I'm really excited about that. So Success is asking, I am whitelisted, but I don't know what that is. So what is a whitelist? Well, think of it as, so your NFT is your VIP pass to get into this community or into this project. And your whitelist is basically your VIP to make sure that you get the VIP. So it's kind of like getting on the waiting list for a VIP pass. Think of it that way. And if you're on the waiting list, you obviously can get in first, as opposed to someone who's, getting in during the public, launch, or what do you want to call it. So the whitelist basically just makes sure that you get in early. You get to mint earlier than the public sale. Typically, every project is different, but typically you get to mint prior to the public sale. So if it's a big project, a lot of times I've seen projects just recently sell out within 5, 10, 15 minutes during the public sale. So if if you don't have the whitelist, you don't get to go in, 2 hours or 24 hours or 40 hours early and mint. You might miss out because, you might not be able to mint during those 5 minutes. So the whitelist makes sure that you do mint, and you get a discounted price for most projects. Like in this case, now it's 0.04 Ethereum, but before it was 0.05 Ethereum for the sale for the private sale. I'm sorry, for the gas pass sale. And I believe it was like 0.1 Ethereum. No, sorry, it was 0.1 Ethereum for the gas pass sale at first. Then it was 0.2 Ethereum for the whitelist sale, 0.3 Ethereum for the public sale. So if you had a whitelist, you can get for 0.2 Ethereum as opposed to 0.3 Ethereum, which is a pretty big difference. I've seen projects, where they do half off. If you have a whitelist, you can get half off what the public sale price is. And this is the project's thank you for you getting in early and trusting them early, because in order for these projects to do well, they need people to get in early and to trust in them and to help build that community. And, projects, that's why they have whitelists, is to kind of get that incentive for people to get in early and, help them build and, really, trust in them. And, in doing so, you get early access to the project and a better price. So it's kind of like a win-win. Andy Drake says, I'd sell my soul to get whitelisted. I will actually be posting. Let me see if I'm sharing my screen. So I'll look later. But my editor has a video. I believe it's coming. Oh, it should be coming in really soon. I'm posting it tonight, no matter what, is what they said. But I'll be posting a video on this channel about, as Jose Torres says, the nudies community, which is, I believe he probably saw it right there. These guys are really cool, or these gals are really cool. It's an all women's project owned by all women. They are also doing a bunch of charity for women charities as well. It's really, really, really cool. The founder is also a software engineer for Microsoft, and their developers work with Nike and L'Oreal and Coors and some other, like Barbie, and some other huge projects. So I'm really looking forward to that video coming out. I'm talking about them, as well as them and 4 other projects that I am personally looking to mint or try to get on the whitelist for this week, as well as 2 kind of bonus projects that I'm looking for as far as the longer term goes. So that's going to be tonight. I will be posting that 5 awesome projects that are coming out with either their pre-sale, which whitelist spots are still available, or with their public sale, either this week, or I believe the last one would be Saturday. So these are all projects that are minting within like the next 3 to 4 or 5 days. So definitely worth checking that out. That's tonight. But yeah, so yeah, definitely check out Fat Panda's NFT. Like I said, 500. I cannot keep stressing this. A $500 million recreational company, as far as cannabis goes, which is a growing business in the NFT space, growing space. It's kind of a win-win, and they know what they're doing. Active community, great. They have a great website. They have all the tools. I personally am looking forward to getting into this myself. You don't have to, if you don't want to, you can always just join the Discord. My first Discord or my first project I just joined and just saw what it was like. I wanted to mint, but I held off and I saw how the mint process went, saw what happened afterwards, and kind of, did that a few times before I kind of got in myself. Definitely safe to do that. And yeah, with the nudies community, power to the ladies. I definitely like this community, the nudies community. I'm really looking forward to y'all seeing that video that I am putting out tonight, about the nudies community, which is awesome. So yeah, I believe their mint is either the 14th or the 14th or the 15th, I believe. But yeah, a bunch of great projects have some mints coming out this week. And it looks like the announcements section has the updated prices for minting for Fat Pandas. So that is definitely worth checking out. I might as well just do it here if y'all are watching, as opposed to making y'all do it. And gas pass mint is 0.04 Ethereum. So now, wow. Okay, cool. So the gas pass mint, we are giving away a gas pass, which will now let you mint for 0.04 Ethereum, which is awesome. And the total is 0.09, including gas pass costs. Whitelist mint is 0.14 Ethereum as opposed to 0.2 Ethereum. We give away whitelist spots, by the way, to Fat Pandas NFT on Titan Trading. We do this for a lot of projects, so be sure to check out Titan Trading for more as far as the whitelist initiative goes. We have going on, and the public mint is 0.30 to 0.19 Ethereum Dutch auctions. That's interesting. I believe that's like the reverse one. I know there's the English auction, the Dutch auction. That is really fun. So there we go. And yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing how this all works. And there's the announcements right there. That's awesome. So let's see, a Fat Pandas NFT, this is a whole new game now with these different prices. I mean, whitelist mint's down 0.06 Ethereum from what it was. That's pretty big. I mean, like Jose Torres is saying, let's go. That's awesome. And we're giving away we're giving away 4 gas passes, also a Fat Pandas NFT. I'm looking forward to the giveaways. I'm looking forward to seeing all of you Fat Pandas in Titan Trading, and all of you Titan Tradings, all you Titans, all of you Penny boys and gals in Fat Pandas, and all the other projects that we are doing these collabs with. Of course, do not put any money into any of these projects if you are not okay with losing said, because it is always a risk. I'm not a financial advisor either. These are just projects that I personally like, that I'm getting into. If you don't get into them, you don't get into them. It's okay. I'd rather you not, if you don't feel comfortable or confident. If there's even one little thing, and I say this about stock trading too, we have our list when it comes to stock trading. Before getting into the stock, you check all the boxes and make sure that you feel comfortable getting that stock and make sure it fits your plan. Same thing goes to NFTs. If this is that one little thing, don't take the trade or don't buy the NFT. There's this one little fishy thing that just feels off to you. There's always going to be another stock out there. There's always going to be another crypto out there. There's always going to be another project out there. So never force a trade. And same deal goes with these projects. Never force yourself into a project. And when minting, if you are going to be doing the public mint, definitely be careful, because these are probably going to sell out fast. I've personally been burned before where I hesitated, like, oh, I'm watching the gas, or oh, like, am I going to really mint this? And then I finally decided to pull the trigger, and it's too late. They sold out. And with, you're out your gas. So like what happens is, if my gas fee was $100 and they sold out, and I press send, and it goes into the blockchain and it's trying to process, and oh, they're sold out. It comes back to me, failed. Well, guess what? That whole process of it going there, saying nah, and coming back to me, that costs money. And guess who has to pay for that? We do. So if I have a failed transaction for a NFT, especially with Ethereum, is where you have to be careful with it, because they can go upwards to $200 easily recently. You can be out of a lot of money. So make sure that you are confident in these projects, and do not, here's the deal, be prepared to lose money on gas with big projects. Do not get into a volatile project or a big project that you think might even remotely sell out, unless you are okay, 1,000% okay with losing that gas money, if just in case that happens. Like if you only have an account, like let's say the gas fees is, let's say that like you're trying to mint a 0.08 Ethereum project, and the gas fees is like, like 0.02 Ethereum. Let's just say that's pretty low. But let's say it's 0.02 Ethereum. You only had 11 Ethereum in your wallet. No, that's a bad example. Let's say you're doing a project that's like 0.1, and gas fees is like double that. So you're looking at like 0.2 Ethereum. I had that happen last night with a member. So you're looking at 0.2 Ethereum total. If you only have like 0.22 in your account, and you need that, you need that money, and that account, that transaction fails, you're out half your account right there. That's pretty devastating for some people. If you have a $100,000 account, what's a couple $100 out in gas? But if you need that money, if you don't get into those volatile projects unless you're okay with losing that money, because it might happen. And quite frankly, it very most likely will happen if you wait a little bit too long. So that's the whole thing that I let me get back to the winners really quick for those who tuned in late. That was a really fun giveaway for those who like these games in Titan Trading. We are going to be doing some fun games like Royal Rumble and stuff like that. But once again, congratulations to all of our winners. But yeah, so I'm about to wrap up. If anyone has any questions, you can feel free to ask myself, MetaMatt. You can just feel free to DM me. You can message me on Twitter at MetaMatt_NFT. Message me on YouTube. You can leave a question in the comments section or ask in Titan Trading or PB Alerts. We're always open to questions. That's the best way to learn, both for you and myself, because we learn just from answering questions. So really, really appreciate everyone for tuning in. It's a really fun giveaway. Sorry to those who died in the Royal Rumble next time. And congratulations once again to Titan Trading and Penny Boy's own Penny Boys University alumni, PNW Zach, out of 400, and I think it was like 412 people, a Titan Trading member won. And that is so freaking awesome. That's Crypto Kenny right there, was a PNW Zach. So that's awesome. I'm so excited. But yeah, so be sure to check me out at Titan Trading, MetaMatt on YouTube, at MetaMatt_NFT on Twitter. And be sure to check out PB Stock Alerts if you're looking to get educated on stocks or alerts so you can make some consistent compounding gains as opposed to just trying to, quick, which typically makes you get scambling. You know what happens to gamblers. And so definitely, you want to check that out. That's pbalerts.com. If you do like gambling, hey, nothing wrong with that. We have Titan Trading, which is the more risque, area. We do crypto, altcoins, future trading, OTC trading, NFTs, but they are by analysts and people who have your risk management in mind and your best interest in mind. So yes, they are, meme coins, or what do you want to call them? These, what do but we're not just blindly getting into stuff. We're not just trying to pump stuff out. We're trying to actually get y'all into legitimate projects like Phat Pandaz NFT. So definitely, definitely hope y'all, and RIP to those who died in the Royal Rumble. And Burger King is a great point. Be careful about fake Phat Pandaz Instagram, but not just Instagram. Be careful about fake anything. Whether it be a Discord. Here's the deal: if you're just NFTs, do not even open. Well, it comes from me, obviously, but no, I'm just kidding. Just don't even open your DMs. Don't even, unless like no, just don't. DMs are all 9 out of 10 times it's going to be spam, especially if it's from a bot. They're telling you, hey, like this mint price. If it's like me saying, hey, like do you need help with stock trading, or if you do need help with like something you ask in the chat, like whatever. Obviously, you can tell if it's real or not. But if there's any links or whatever like that, just do not trust it. Hey, you won the whitelist, click this link, don't do it. Like, hey, we have an early mint, click this link, don't do it. Anything that says, hey, blah, 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 insert link to click, just don't do it. It's a scam. I've seen people have their wallets emptied doing this. And our goal is to have you make money, but in a risk to reward based way, one that, we're managing your risk, and one we're helping you not lose money, at least not lose too much money. Obviously, losing is part of the game. It's not about what you lose, though. It's about how you lose. Is about making sure those losses are minimal and that your wins outgain your losses. Same thing goes for NFT trading. So, it's definitely easier to make sure that happens if you're not getting scammed. So do not trust any links. There's so many fake, just fake everything out there. So be sure to check out my how to avoid scams video on the MetaMatt YouTube. It's in this channel. And check out the NFT 101 trading classes. Those should also help you out in Titan Trading. But so I hope to see you guys in Titan Trading. I hope to see you in Twitter and YouTube and in Fat Panda's Discord. But until then, I hope that you all make some bread. And congratulations once again to PNW Zach.